Hi friends, today I'm going to discuss about view of data in database management system. So for this, I have a small definition. So database is a collection of interrelated data and set of programs that allow users to access and modify this data. So now the major purpose of a database system is to provide users with an abstract view of the data, right? So that is the system hides certain details of how the data is stored and maintained. So this is just like security. So I can say view of data. The major purpose of database system is to provide users with an abstract view of the data. So to better understanding, I have an example. So let's consider I have a university database. So in that university database, so obviously all the students information is available. So all department information also available. So now, so there are different types of users to access that kind of data from your university database. So example, so I have a user called principal and HOD and faculty, right? So there are three different types of users to access the data from your database, university database. So as based on permissions of the user can access the data. So now with respect to principal, say he has all the permissions to retrieve the data, inserting the data, and if student detained from so and so class, so he can delete that kind of records. So all the permissions, so he can have, right? So now, so as a principal, he can see all the information which is available in the database. Now come to HOD. So there are different types of department HODs, CSE, IT, ECE, example. So now with respect to CSE HOD, so he or she can retrieve only specific department related information. He may not have access rights to some other department student information, right? So now principal can access all the student information. Next HOD, so related department information he can retrieve. So at the same time faculty, so he is eligible or else he can have permissions to retrieve the data from only one class, right? As a subject faculty, he can access to retrieve the data only on that particular subject, right? So these are the different types of users available in a database management system based on the permissions of users. Now see, that's the reason a major purpose of a database system is to provide users with an abstract view of the data. Based on the permission only he can access the data. So now see, there are different types of levels in view of data, abstract view of data. So now see, data abstraction. Data abstraction means just like hiding the information, right? So now based on the permission, the users can access the data. So levels of abstraction. So there are three different types of levels in data abstraction. First one is physical level. Second one is logical level. Third one is view level. So in physical level, so also called as physical level of data abstraction. So here, so how the data are actually stored. So how the data are actually stored. This means, so this is the lowest level of data abstraction which describes how data are actually stored. Suppose for example, I have a table. In the table, I want to insert the records. So how the records are inserted in the table. So in this physical level, that kind of records will be inserted. That's the reason how the data are actually stored. So in physical level of data abstraction. Second level is logical level of data abstraction. This level hides what data are actually stored in the database and what relationship exists among them. Suppose I have two tables. So student table and faculty table. Student table means so only related records must be inserted. Faculty means related records must be inserted. If there any relationship among these two tables, obviously we have to apply the relationship. So this kind of records, this kind of relationship will be available on levels of data abstraction. It describes data stored in database and the relationships among the data. Last level, so view level of data abstraction. View provides security mechanism to prevent user from accessing certain parts of database As I discussed earlier, principal can access all the students' information. HOD related department, so faculty, so related subject. Same way, application programs hides details of data types. So obviously, so application programs hide certain details of data types. Views can also hide information. So it also hides the information such as an employee salary for security purposes only. Right. So this is this topic about all about security purpose only. So now see, by using one example, you will get that. By using one diagram, you will get the idea about data abstraction and all. So now data abstraction. So this is the picture of the data abstraction. So there are three levels now. So here, low level, middle level, highest level or top level. So called view level, logical level, physical level. Lowest level is physical level, middle level is logical level, and view level is top level. So highest level in the data abstraction is view level. So here you can see view 1, view 2, view n. The first thing is data must be stored in the database. So that is called physical level. See, if you want to insert records based on the table or entity, see if there are any relationships in that tables. So that kind of information is stored in logical level. See, if you complete physical level, logical level, the highest level is view level. So based on the permissions of users, so you can access the data. So hope you understand the concept of data abstraction.